Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come back on here now because I want to show you what I have made for Jean Wraggs. Now Jean's having a challenge, and she wanted she wanted us to send her a pin cushion. She sent a little pin cushion. I probably seen that, heard that, but I made you this, Jean. If you don't like it, imagine you get it's the size of my hand. It lays like that. That's my idea. Okay, so the heart doesn't stand up; it lays down. I just got this overcome with. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a pincushion made out of this here. I started out with this quilting. This is off a bedspread, creamy white bedspread. Probably was meant to be whitish, I don't know. And I thought, now that's a good cover for underneath, so I sat out there and I sewed two side shapes together. It's not a heart fancy thing that people do. It's just a bit of skewy for a little heart. Okay, then I covered it, stitched on all these bits of lace. Well, not actually, when I say bits, they weren't separate. Now I need to put a thing around that. I should have done that. I just realised I haven't done that. When I say a thing, I want an edging around this. Whether I will take the inside out of a doily and put on there to make a frame for it, which I'm going to do that. I will do that before I send it to you, Jean. So these are not actually part of it. These are the buttons that I'm going to send to you. Now, so I made a stick pin to put in there. Just a pretty basic one, just a pin cushion to have a pin. Okay, now we've got a piece of, I've covered that all like I said. So we started out with this for the base, and then I stuffed it all, stuffed them all, and then I stitched all this applique over it. It's a piece I got from Nita, who is Crafty Nita. She's has some really nice things, and I bought that off her from a fair while back now. And then I put I put white in it too, but I wanted to, I know you're not really keen on different colours, but I hope that you like this. I just didn't want to decorate it too colourful. I've got a nice piece in there that is a leaf, and it's a beaded leaf. Now I'm not the person that made that, but I have done them before, and I didn't do that one though. I found that in my bits and pieces. So, and I put a calico flowery bit on the back of it there. Looks like I might have got a bit of glue bit off the track there. I didn't use any hot glue. I don't want to. I'm not really good with that, and I don't like it to have I don't like the effect sometimes it has bulging bits. But I stitched one of these on by hand, one of these rows of flat back pearls, and then I can't, so I've probably got a bit lazy and I glued the other one on, and the piece of trim that's underneath it. So I put that nice piece of trim lace under there, and then put another row around, because I just wanted to have a bit more something, but not overdone, I hope. Okay, so that's your pin cushion, and if you don't really want to keep it, then you can gift it to somebody else, I suppose, because it might be a bit big. I didn't mean to do that. So it's the size of my hand. I don't know what size. Let's have a look. I'll just give it a measure for you and see if it's okay. Let me see. I think you had one there that was about 4 inches a circle. Oh, but no. What happened to my numbers? I've cut this up, this piece. I do that sometimes. I want a piece of tape because I have lots of them, so we won't judge me, please. Okay, so that's about 4 inches across there. It's a little bit longer this way, but hopefully, if you can fit it on your 5 inches that way, hopefully you might be able to fit it on your maybe 5 that way. On your display thing, or I hope it's okay anyway. So that's that. Then I found some buttons. Well, I have a lot of buttons, so I thought, well, I'll share you some buttons. I don't mind. This is a actual one, is a glass one. You can see, I don't know if you can actually see that, it's glass, and then it's got a covering of looks like a pearly coating or something on it. I don't know whether that's a bit off it there. I hope not. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so I just put a pin in the back of that, and I'm pinning one there for you, and you can use that. Then I've got these two ones here. They're sorry about the bit of glue. They're really like a well, I don't know what they're made out of. I don't think they're glass. They're hard, but I don't know what they are. But they've been about for a few years, I'd say. Well, either that or they're just tricking me and looking old, I guess. I don't know. So there's 2 of those for you. And I've got this other one now. This looks to me like it could be a glass one as well. And it's just so I hope that they'll be useful in your projects. And I hope that it gets to you all right. I'm in Australia and I can't get to post this till the end of the week, so that's not going to be for another 3 days. So if it doesn't get there though on time, please don't worry about putting me in the thing, because I know my mail forever takes to get there. But I'm sorry I'm a bit late. I only just seen your competition and I just wanted to send you something nice, and I felt like making something pretty like that, so I just made you that. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and thank you Jean for this nice challenge and these beautiful, so we can make these beautiful things. Okay, thank you everybody, bye bye.